Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Crew2 error 034. First, try basic steps like restarting your modem and the game. Then move to network solutions like port forwarding or verifying game files on PC. If the problem persists, check for server maintenance announcements, ensure you are using the correct Ubisoft account or contact Ubisoft support for further assistance. Basic troubleshooting, restart everything, quit the game, turn off your console or PC, unplug it for 30 seconds, and then restart everything. Reboot your router and modem as well. Check for server maintenance. Look for announcements on the official The Crew social media accounts, as maintenance can cause connection issues. Open ports. On your router, open the required network ports for the game. You can find the guide on how to do this on Ubisoft's support page. Verify game files. If you are on PC, use the game client's function to verify the integrity of the game files. Some other solutions. Log in with the correct account. Some users have resolved this error by ensuring they are logged into the correct Ubisoft account that the game is activated on. If none of the above steps work, open a support ticket with Ubisoft support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.